Hello everyone, this is Mar. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini to write Google documents in a much faster way. If this helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open Google Gemini and we're going to start a new document. So we're going to talk today about So we want to create a document that talks about the benefits of drinking coffee. Save it into a Google Drive doc. So this is a prompt that I gave Gemini, and I'm going to show you how you're going to quickly save this text inside your Google documents. Gemini is going to give you different responses while it has the chance to get to know you better. What you can do is pick your choice. I like this one. It's a little bit more straight to the point. It says the health benefits of daily coffee consumption. I'm gonna click on open. And as you can see, it created a Google document for me because I see the icon right here. Now, always remember to check all the information that AI gives you because AI is doing its thing, but again, it's not perfect. And now if I go back to my Google documents, I'm gonna be able to see the new doc that we created with Gemini. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.